We are in the process of bringing out water to our house. We have the well and pump system set up out here, about 150 feet away from our home. So he's working on the trench. Then we'll be picking up all the material to get water flowing to the house. He's checking right now the depth of the trench. Can't remember if he's going 18 inches. I'll check with him in a minute here. We've got a slope going up to the house, so it does make it difficult to drive the tractor. As you'll see when he levels it out here in a second, that wheel is more than likely going to lift up. How deep are you making it?
What?
How deep are you making it?
Basically 2 feet.
Oh, 2 feet, okay. 24 inches. Back to it.
It's like not that stable though, so I gotta get my twisted.
So anyway, I'll show you where we're headed to. Water's gonna enter right about here on our home. Then we'll be running it through the entire house ourselves.